we wear different clothes at different time of the year. So when it is summer, then we wear light and airy clothes. Now when it is winter, then we wear warm clothes. And when it is raining, then we wear raincoats. So different time of the year decides what type of clothes we wear. But is that the only criteria? Not really. So even places and occasions decide what type of clothes we wear. For example, we wear a uniform when we go to school, isn't it? So when we go to school, we wear shorts and shirts usually. Now, when we go to jogging, well, we wear a tracksuit when we go for jogging. Now, we wear night suit when we go to sleep. So again, as the situation changed, our clothing changed too. So when we go to sleep, we wear night suits like pajamas with shirt or t-shirt. And we wear attractive clothes when we go for a party. So again, as the situation changed, clothing changed too. So usually girls wear a frock or a dress when they go for a party. So what do we see? We see that clothing changes according to situation. So situation decides what type of clothing we will wear. So we do not wear a particular type of clothing all the year round. In fact, in a single day, we change clothing many times according to changing situations, isn't it? Now, not just children, even adults wear different types of clothes at different places and situations. For example, many people wear trousers, shirts and coats to office. So you will see such type of dressing or such type of clothing when people are going to office. Now, women also wear skirts in offices, isn't it? Now, can you answer this question? People wear pajamas to office. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the correct answer is false. People do not wear pajamas to office. They usually wear suits, shirts or skirts to office. Now, in some offices, women wear saris and salwar suits. So, even these dresses are worn by women when they go to office. Now, what if there is a festival? Well, during festivals, we wear a variety of clothes. For example, saris, kurtas, pajamas and sherwani. So, all these dresses are worn by people when there is a festival. Now, in some parts of our country, people wear dhoti along with kurta or shirt. So, this is also a type of clothing which you will see in some parts of the country. So, people prefer wearing dhotis along with kurtas or shirt. So, what do we see? We see that different occasions and places decide our clothing pattern. So, when we are in school, we wear uniform. When we are in office, then we wear coats, shirts and trousers. But if we have a festival, then our clothing changes. So, during a festival, we will wear saris, kurtas or sherwani. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with
certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.